many people who have no self-esteem in society. Hello, my friend, dear Unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Do you even think why there are many people in society who have no self-esteem? Who have no ability to establish relationships, who can't even speak with low, shy voice, and are afraid. They are afraid if they are afraid that if I speak now, they might make fun of me, or that if they notice my presence, they might not like me. Where do all these come from? Where do all these feelings, thoughts, anxieties come from? It comes from stupid. Sorry, my phone. It comes from stupid, ignorant families who have been beating their child, their children up from childhood, who only care about their own fake faces in front of society, friends, neighbors, families. Their child is suffering from inside. Their child, even if will be 1,000 years old, will still not like itself when looks at the mirror. I've seen so many children, so many people, they don't like to see their faces in the mirror. That person is still suffering in its mind. Between all that mental rumination and anxiety, between all these seizures that have, paralyzed that person internally, psychologically. Oh God, this heartbroken person who is in pain, and this pain has been, inflicted on that person by their parents, teachers, even guardians, elders. Do you know every time you hit that child with every mental, emotional, physical punishment, you destroyed and you killed a part of that person? Yeah, a part of that person's being. In the name of the most ridiculous and worthless thing called honor. You are all fake. How wild you must be. You left this child so long and you don't care about that child. You criticized your child so much. You didn't let her or him live, experience, have friends, play. Now, that person, that child is, now that person doesn't know anything because of you. Because of you, that person doesn't know anything. Because of you. And I know you don't accept that. You don't accept these words even though you know the truth. I've saw so many people, they say, oh, my child is so stupid and helpless. Shame on you. That's not a doll. That is a person. Okay? Shame on you. Dear friend, thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for supporting me by listening to my videos, watching my videos. Thank you for being here. Write a comment for me and share this video with someone you know. That person should listen and watch this video. Thank you so much. Focus on yourself, on your energies. Go forward, heal yourself, get to know yourself, love yourself, and achieve your dreams. Don't tell anybody to do that. You do yourself. You. Finish what you've started. Just do it. Go forward and experience. Gain so many experiences and make mistakes. Just don't be in the middle. Experience failures, experience successes, and get useful results and grow more and more. Love you. Bye.